Hello everyone. Now this video will show you the detailed steps of the Western Digital SMR hard drives, firmware, module test and repair. Okay, let's power on this Western Digital SMR hard drive and let's say how to test the firmware modules and repair the damaged modules. Okay, let's enter the software. For this SMR hard drive, we have unlocked the firmware arrow so we can see the full ID information. Now, we enter the software and we can check all the firmware modules here. And we can back up all the firmware modules by read modules or read tracks or read SA. And we need also to read T2 data SMR zone. And how to test? So here we have selected all the firmware modules. We just right click and test selected ID. Now we can see the software starts to test all the firmware modules. Green means good modules. Red cross in this one means we can see error, checksum error. So we can try to repair this kind of checksum error. Anyway, these modules are not so important, so we can ignore this checksum error for these non-important firmware modules. Now the firmware module 190 is being tested. So let's wait and see if this is one key module, if it's good or not. So we can see after this one and all the modules test will be completed. Okay, so the key modules for this Western Digital SMR drives are all good. Only some non-important modules gets this checksum error. Actually, to repair the checksum error, we can double click, right click, select all, and generate module checksum and write. Now we can try to test this selected module again, and we can see it's showing green. That means this module checksum error has been fixed. So this is how we check the module and get this module fixed. For the checksum error. So it's very easy in the DFLWD firmware repair software to test all the firmware modules and repair the damaged modules. And finally, we get the drive work again. Thank you for watching the video.